Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the continue from last opened page on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You go to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can find the second section, the notes. Here go to the second option, the continue from last opened page, under the new note name. And if you want to turn off this function, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled, and if you want to turn on, just click that again, and if it will be turned blue. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.